Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Due to the level of insecurity that is ongoing in Imo State, the politicians, both those in opposition and the ruling party, have decided to make moves to save Imo State. How they'll do it, you'll find out in a moment. But before we do so, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. But the minority caucus of the House of Representatives has called for constitutional steps to restore order in Imo State. The caucus, in a statement by its leader Ndudi Elumelu, said the security situation has gone beyond the capacity of the government of Imo State. It noted that since the Supreme Court verdict that proclaimed Governor Hope Uzodinma, the security situation in the state has worsened. The minority caucus is heavily disturbed by the worsening insecurity, violence, and killings in Imo, particularly since the All Progressive Congress (APC) administration took over the state. As representatives of the people, our caucus believes that the situation has gone beyond the capacity of the government of Imo State, especially given its failure to gain control since inception. The minority caucus, therefore, urges urgent security and constitutional steps to check rising violent situations and activities, restore law and order, and bring the tense situation in the state under control. The caucus did not mention the constitutional steps to restore order. However, Section 305 of the 1999 Constitution allows the President to declare a state of emergency at the request of a state governor or unilaterally in the event of breakdown of law and order. The lawmakers also condemned the bringing down of Ahmed Gulak, a former advisor to former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Mr. Gulak was killed on Sunday by some UGM, although the police has declared that it has killed the perpetrators of the attack. The caucus declared the assassination of Gulak as barbaric act and urged the police and other security agencies to fish out the assailant. Wow, you've heard what the group has said. But in another news, very quickly, the Arewa youth earlier on, some hours ago, had given a mandate to Hope Uzodinma, giving 14 days ultimatum, while they have actually done a U-turn, and this is exactly what they are saying. A northern-based youth group, the Northern Youth Council of Nigeria (NYCN), has praised the effort of the Nigerian police and other security agencies for quick response in the arresting and eliminating some alleged members of IPOB and ESN who took the life of the Northern Elder and former presidential aide Ahmed Gulak in Imo State. The group also assured Nigerians of Igbo origin living in the north of their safety, and also promised that their security and well-being will be well taken care of. I hope so. The NYCN has made this disclosure in a statement presented by its president, Comrade Abubakar Issa. He noted that the proactive and very timely intervention of the security forces had calmed the already frail nerves of the northern region, especially among the youth. The group also noted that they have withdrawn their 2 weeks ultimatum earlier given to the Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma, mandating him to fish out those who did the dastardly act of the northern politician and former presidential advisor. They also called on the police and other security agencies to use the same energy to fish out other forms of criminality in other regions of the country, and also their region. Their region is in their need of this help too. This thing here, I pray that they will, if the way they are doing this thing, let it cut across the whole of Nigeria, not a particular section. Sometimes that's what causes a lot of unnecessary tension. Look at how speedy it is, to fish out, or allegedly so. They said they have fished out. I wouldn't know. They said they have allegedly fished out those who did this act. If they can do this to even those kidnappers in Kaduna who kidnapped just students, but at the end of the day, the parents paid ransom, nothing was done. Several legume will tell you they don't know where the bandits live. They tell you they know where they are, but they will not do anything. But look at how swift it was done. I just pray the same energy that is being used in the other regions should be applied every other place so that Nigeria will be whole again. But let's quickly feel the pulse of Nigerians. Of course, Nigerians have reacted, and we're going to take a cross section of those already. The social media is lit over the matter. This one here says, but wetin im come find for Imo State at this time and without security? Who invited him to come and do what? There's freedom of movement. Yes, the place is tensed, but honestly, that's, you see, in Sena claims, let's be real. Some of these guys in Sena claims in abroad, especially when they in diaspora, especially when they go on trains and other transport, you don't see a siren blowing unnecessarily. Some of them just walk, take a train, they take a bus. Yeah, it's one or two, but it's not the way we do our own in Nigeria, where it will be everybody clear the road, clear the road, bang, 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 everybody be clearing road. Some of them, some you get to see some of the celebrities. Yes, they go with their bodyguards, but it's not the way we do our own over here. It's simply because the insecurity level is quite very high, and everybody's trying to be careful. So if not, you saying that why shouldn't he come with security, that is understood simply because Imo State and other parts of the region is actually lit. If not, but let's continue. This one here is saying they arrested innocent people and termed them those who did the dastardly act of gulag, which is typical and a blatant lie. Ask Muguno from Sokoto and Hope Uzodinma to tell the truth of what happened. Well, I wouldn't know. The security officers who seem to know what they're doing had actually mentioned that they have brought down the people. And let's believe them. That's their duty. Theirs is to investigate. I am not a police officer, so I wouldn't know, but they have said they have brought down, they've done their bit. Let's believe that it's actually the right people they have done with. I pray that there's general security. Now, the death of Goodluck has brought attention. Finally, everybody talking about security. I hope and pray that this will not just awaken our needs to be security conscious, but it will change the atmosphere generally and bring peace and tranquility to Nigeria as a whole. It's a tall order, it's a big one, but I believe that together we can make this work. A lot of persons are already tired of saying, look, Nigeria is not going to work, but it will take two of us, you and I, all of us, put together to make it happen. Okay, you hear it, you see it, you say it. And any insecurity information, tell it to the security agencies. I'm sure you are a step closer to curing in our own space, in our own sphere, in our own space. We are a step closer to making Nigeria work. Together we can make this happen. But that's where we're going to wrap it up. What's your take on what is going on? Let's interact in our comment section. Do have a nice time.